our topic is phases of compilers. Okay, totally we have 6 phases of compilers. For compilers we have 6 phases. Then what is the meaning of phase actually means? Phase means it will take input in one form and it will give the output in another format. So what is phase means? Phase means it will take input in one format and it will give the output in the other format. So this is a definition of phase, you already know. And then we have 6 phases of compilers. Coming to the first one is lexical analyzer, second phase is syntax analyzer, third phase is semantic analyzer, fourth one is intermediate code generator, fifth one is code optimizer, and the last one is code generator. Okay, so we have these 6 phases are connected with the symbol table and error handler. Okay, now we'll see about the first phase. What is the first phase? The first phase is the lexical analyzer. So lexical analyzer we can call it as scanner. Okay, why means lexical analyzer, this phase is called as a lexical analysis or the scanner. So what this lexical analyzer will do means it treats the stream of characters making up the source program and group of characters into meaningful sequences. Okay, group of characters into meaningful sequences, that is called as lexeme. Now tell me, what is lexeme? So the source program and groups the characters into meaningful sequences is called as lexemes. Okay, what is means lexical analyzer? We can call it as a scanner. This lexical analyzer will generate the lexemes. What is lexeme is the source program and the groups, it groups the characters in meaningful sequences is called as a lexeme. Okay, see, so we can for each this lexical analyzer it will produce lexeme. This way we can call it as a tokens also. Okay, so see, the lexical analyzer will produces the output in the form of tokens. Okay, in the form of tokens, lexical analyzer will produces the output in the form of tokens. The first one is lexemes. What is lexeme means? The sequence, the input stream will be grouped into the meaningful sequences, that we will call it as a lexeme. The lexical analyzer produces the output in the form of tokens. So we have the syntax for the token. How it is means, first we have to write the token name, then attribute value. Means, see here, token name means what is the name of the token, and the next attribute value is the value of the token. Okay, and with one example you can understand this easily. See, for example, I am taking position equals to initial plus rate into 60. Okay, this is my input stream. Then what the syntax analyzer will do? What the lexical analyzer will do, ma? So this lexical analyzer will find out the tokens. Okay, what are the tokens available in the particular given input stream? Now tell me what are the tokens here. The position is a one token, and the initial and the rate, and this is the assignment operator, this is the addition operator, this is a multiplication operator. So what the lexical analyzer will gives the output means position is a, how will represent the token actually? Token name, attribute, value. Okay, so what is the token name? Position one will take it as id 1, okay, equal to. So this is also will represent in the token. Next, id comma 2, addition operator, then id 3, multiplication operator, then 60. Okay, so 60 is also one of the value. Understood? See here, lexical analyzer will generate the lexemes. What is lexeme means? The source program. So it consisting of the group of the characters, so into the meaningful sequences, it is called as a lexemes. Okay, so the lexical analyzer will produce as the output in the form of token. So token will be represented by using the token name and attribute value. Here the token name will be stored, here the attribute value will be stored. Why this attribute value means? This will be helpful for the symbol table. After further classes you will learn about the symbol table. For example, if you will take the example is position equals to initial plus rate into 60, then what the lexical analyzer will do? Position is a one identifier, initial is a one identifier, rate is a one identifier, equal to is assignment operator, plus is a addition operator, into is a multiplication operator. So it will take token name one identifier, the value is 1, assignment operator, second identifier, value is 2, addition operator, id 3 means identifier 3, the value is 3, multiplication operator and the value. Okay, so see here, if you all consider the symbol table, how the symbol table means, how in the symbol table how the lexical analyzer will store the values means, for example here, what is the first attribute ma? Position. First identifier, what is the value of position here? 1. Clear? And the next one, what is the next identifier? Initial, int. So second identifier, and next third one is a rate. Okay, whenever we are executing our program, we'll check, the compiler will check what are the values are initialized in the means in the main function, out of the main function, inside the main function. It will check whether position is available in the program or not. While executing, the compiler will check whether the initial is present or not, whether they are declared or not, rate is declared or not. They will find out. If we have not declared, then it will shows the error message by using the error handling functions. Means we have different error handling functions, that because with different error handlers we'll get the error message. Okay,